The top cryptos to buy in 2023. These cryptos could make you millions. The crypto market is entering its next big phase, and that means new opportunity. With the advent of gaming crypto, and now the newest form of crypto, AI crypto, it has never been a better time to grow your portfolio and set the foundation for the future. You are literally in the perfect time to invest and make a lot of money with crypto. That's why we've done the research for you and compiled a list of the top 5 altcoins to buy in 2023. All of these coins have a low market cap and have a lot of potential for growth, so make sure to take a look at these opportunities, especially number 5. Also, please remember that this content is not financial advice, and you are encouraged to do your own research before making any investment decisions. These coins are great investments, but remember that they are long-term investments, so don't expect to buy Lamborghinis by next week. Let's not waste any more time and get right into it. 1. Arbitrum. Arbitrum is one of the best Layer 2 solutions and has a market cap of $1.7 billion. Arbitrum is a pioneering scaling solution for Layer 2 that has the potential to turbocharge Ethereum. Off-Chain Labs, a group of researchers and engineers from Princeton University, developed a cutting-edge scaling solution for Ethereum called Arbitrum. This solution is called Arbitrum. It is intended to improve the user experience, increase Ethereum's transaction throughput, and cut gas fees without jeopardizing the cryptocurrency's decentralized nature or security. The concept of optimistic rollups is at the core of the digital currency known as Arbitrum. Arbitrum can drastically minimize the amount of on-chain data that is necessary by combining several transactions into a single proof, which ultimately results in transactions that are both faster and less expensive. Because the system operates under the presumption that validators will behave honestly, the word optimistic was coined to describe the situation. Disputes are only brought up when that assumption is called into question. So how does Arbitrum work? Arbitrum's basic functionality is based on a hybrid system that utilizes both off-chain and on-chain storage and computing. It does this by utilizing a group of validators who carry out computations in a separate location, then regularly update the state of the system on the Ethereum mainnet. The Arbitrum Virtual Machine, AVM, which is an off-chain execution engine that is both highly efficient and safe, is an essential part of the Arbitrum platform. Because the Arbitrum Virtual Machine can execute any Ethereum smart contract and supports the Ethereum JSON and RPC API, it is simple for developers to move their existing decentralized applications, dApps, to Arbitrum. 2. Render. Another amazing altcoin to look at with a market cap of $486 million is Render. So starting with the introduction Render token, RNDR, is a distributed GPU rendering network created on the Ethereum blockchain, but has shifted now to Solana to connect artists and studios in need of GPU computing capacity with mining partners willing to rent out their GPU capabilities. Before payment dispersal and art release, RNDR uses a mixed manual and automatic proof of work mechanism, or in this case, proof of render, to ensure that all art has been correctly rendered. Proprietary assets are hashed upon upload and transmitted to nodes piecemeal for rendering, utilizing the Ethereum blockchain's inherent security features. The RNDR team is situated in Los Angeles and has members all across the world, thanks to the parent company OTOI. Industry leaders such as Ari Emanuel, co-founder and co-CEO, WME, and J.J. Abrams are on the RNDR advisory board and have all aided RNDR in various capacities in bridging the gap between cryptocurrency communities and Hollywood studio production pipelines. Render is not just a coin, but it also has a real-life use case. You must have heard the name of Beeple, who is one of the biggest NFT creators right now. Beeple is fond of rendering, and before, rendering an NFT used to take time, but with rendering it has become much cheaper and much faster too. 3. Hera Finance. Hera Finance is another smaller altcoin with huge potential and a market cap of $10 million. As decentralized exchanges frequently struggle to maintain liquidity because they lack the vast sources of capital that traditional financial markets do. That's why Hera Finance is introduced. It is a multi-chain DEX aggregator which connects automated market maker, AMM, pools, and discovers all direct/multi-hop pathways between any two tokens on various blockchains. The concept boasts a pathfinder powered by artificial intelligence, AI, multi-chain interoperability, and zero slippage. It aims to offer all-in-one access to decentralized finance, while also offering the best user experience, UX, and cutting-edge features, creating an all-in-one access solution. Hera Aggregator V2 consistently searches for the optimum path, occasionally using a single AMM and other times using many AMMs. To determine the best path, it makes advantage of trade splitting and multi-hop features. The pathways are separated into groups based on the input amount. The best route is produced by each way independently of the others. As a result, the greatest production is produced. In other words, a balance is established in the pools and the greatest income is gained. Hera has an off-chain computation software that generates routes using artificial intelligence. On each query, it can perform around 252,000 calculations. It locates all cash sources and builds paths devoid of overdraft conditions. Additionally, the development team appears to be accountable as well, as many of the problems were addressed and acknowledged. But before it can achieve its vision, it still has a long way to go in terms of development. 4. Metahero. Metahero is another coin that has potential in the crypto gaming space, and it has a market cap of $22 million. Metahero is a 3D scanning and modeling company that creates ultra-realistic 3D avatars and virtual objects for usage in games, virtual reality, social media, and online fashion. NFTs can also be made from real-world artwork and collectibles using this technology. Metahero has also worked with Wolf Studio, the world leader in 3D scanning. Big industry names have tried and employed their cutting-edge technology. Most recently, CD Projekt produced characters for their hot new release, Cyberpunk 2077. Now you must be wondering why Metahero is so special. It's because there are a lot of crypto projects that focus on NFTs in gaming, but only a few add 3D scanning to the mix, and Metahero is one of them. The question of what it would be like to inject yourself into the internet is answered by Metahero. As a result, we believe that once the project achieves its pinnacle, Metahero will serve as a vital link between the digital and real worlds. It could also play a key role in the early colonization of virtual worlds, which provide limitless opportunities for self-expression and value creation. 5. FET. Bringing things to the AI crypto side, we have FET with a market cap of $380 million. Fetchi is a cutting-edge platform that connects IoT devices and algorithms for collective learning. It is based on a shared ledger with high throughput. Fetchi's architecture provides a unique smart contract capacity that may deploy machine learning or artificial intelligence solutions, allowing for decentralized problem-solving. Furthermore, the Fetchi platform's open-source tools enable users to build various ecosystem infrastructures and deploy innovative commercial models. Fetchi also has an international team of developers focusing on the intersection of blockchain, AI, and multi-agent systems. It employs machine learning and operates on a highly scalable next-generation distributed ledger platform. To allow a decentralized digital economy, the ecosystem of open-access tokenized decentralized machine learning networks for smart infrastructure incorporates multi-agent systems, machine learning, and cryptography. You can also assume FET to be essentially the key to accessing all of the Fetchi network's services and capacities. Fetchi cryptocurrency is needed to identify autonomous training agents and is required for smart contracts and all other economic activities. Another application for FET is an access deposit token that aids in the connection of agents and nodes to the network. FET is also required for value exchange between two agents regardless of their location. But these are not the only crypto tokens that you should be buying. If you want to find out more of the best type of crypto altcoins to buy, check the description for the playlist to more videos just like this. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on these 100x potential coins.